more natural, effective way of cleaning up your fruits and veggies before you eat them. We all know we shouldn't eat that stuff. This is the easiest way I have ever seen, and so excited that it's actually here, and so excited to introduce you, I'm going to say this properly, Mareya Ibrahim.
Yahoo!
Yay! I'm so excited.
So perfect! Woo!
Yes. Mareya, I have to say, an impressive lady. She is the inventor and founder of eatCleaner. She's also a chef with a nutrition background, so something very important.
Yes.
What a ray of sunshine you are.
Oh, you're
nice
so
to have
awesome.
you here.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Tell us all about it.
Okay. eatCleaner makes cleaning your produce so much easier and so much more effective than water alone. Plus, it's going to prolong the shelf life of your fresh produce and inhibit browning because nobody wants to eat a brown cut apple, right? And I want to show you because it's really all in the visual. Let me show you what people normally do when they bring their produce home. What do? They rinse it alone and call clean. We don't clean our hair, we don't clean our dishes, we don't clean our hands with water alone. So why would you clean your produce with water alone? Now with eatCleaner is lab proven to remove over 99.99% of the E. coli, salmonella, and listeria from your fresh produce within 15 seconds.
Love this already. Okay, so here's everything that you're getting, right? You're getting the bottle that's ready to go. It comes with the trigger sprayer, but then you're also getting the 2 concentrate refills. And do we get directions on how to mix and how to do it?
Yes, it's so simple. You're getting that spray bottle that's ready to go. Just turn the trigger to unlock, and then you get the refills, and all you're going to do is pour the refill into the spray bottle and fill to the top with clean water.
Perfect. Here's the thing too, the price tag is $21.48, but we have 5 easy payments of $4.30. I want you to think about spring being a week away. We're about to get all of those amazing fruits and veggies, but you don't know what was sprayed on them before they came into your home. This is how you ensure, again, 99% effective in removing pesticides from whole apples.
Yes, so I don't know if you saw how dirty that apple was.
It had a sheen to it.
Listen to this. It's squeaky clean now.
I like that.
So when you're cleaning with eatCleaner, you're removing over 99%.
So this is a much smarter way to do it. We are going to show you, I think, the strawberries next, but we're going to take a look at the before and afters. Please take a look at your screen. These are incredibly impactful. Look at that. Rinsed with water versus washed with eatCleaner.
Yeah, and I just want to emphasize again, you know, we don't really clean anything with water alone. It's really just something that is sort of like boggles your mind a little bit, but know that eatCleaner is made with GRAS ingredients, which means regarded as safe by the FDA. So you know what you're putting on your food is natural and clean, and it's going to make your produce that much cleaner and really more delicious. I mean, when you remove all of that stuff, it actually makes your food taste better too.
Look at the grapes. I mean, on the one side it looks like olives. On the washed with eatCleaner, now they look like grapes.
And I would love for you to try the strawberries because it really actually enhances the flavor of your fresh food.
Lovely.
Take a taste, and it won't alter flavor in a funky way.
And I know when we come back, I'm going to chow down because you know how much I love fresh fruits and veggies.
Yes.
But take a look at the kale. I mean, rinsed with water versus washed with eatCleaner. Which one looks more appetizing to you? I mean,
you eat with your eyes first, right?
Totally.
So when you bring all your produce home, you can actually wash it and put it back into the refrigerator in a sealed container, and it helps to prolong the shelf life. So you don't have to go back into the refrigerator and find your strawberries with fuzzy coats on them.
You get all of that fresh fruit flavor. You ever taken a bite of a piece of fruit and there's some kind of strange crunch that's not, it's not a seed, it's not a natural fiber of the fruit or veggie? This is something that makes them taste better, and we just learned prolonged its life. I mean, $21.48 for you to enjoy the full flavor of spring and summer and beyond. It's also 5 easy payments of $4.30. Now, I was just going to ask you, what about lemons and limes?
Yes, please. Anytime you have a fruit or vegetable with a peel, you still want to clean the surface because when you cut into it, you would be cross-contaminating the inside. So lemons, limes, avocados, very important. Everybody's eating eating avocados these days, know that the outside is where most of the pesticide residue and bacteria is sitting. So if you clean the outside properly, it's much better for the health of your produce.
What about potatoes and root vegetables?
Definitely.
Okay.
Root vegetables are sitting in the ground for a long time. So making sure that your root vegetables are clean. And by the way, eating the peel has so much nutrition benefit.
I love
the peel. You get all kinds of fiber and nutrients in the peel. So clean the peel properly, and then you can eat the peel.
Amazing. Okay, it's brand new today, already popular. Folks are buying more than one. It's V36199. Here's everything that you get. You're getting that one 12-ounce fruit and veggie triple action wash spray ready to go. And then you get the 2 6-ounce 2 times concentrate refills. This is how you wash your fresh fruit, vegetables, and herbs. Spray the surface, let it sit for 2 minutes, and remember to give it a little shake well before you get started. 5 easy payments of $4.30. Mareya, I have a feeling we're going to be seeing lots of you, my friend.
Yay, thank you.